Girl, I know the Sephora sale is over, so why am I doing a Sephora haul? But I want to share with you guys what I got before the sale and during the sale that I am loving and using, and hopefully you'll love it too once I share with you guys. So let's talk about it. Alright, beautiful people, now that I have your attention here, welcome to another video. Chrissy here once again, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey, hugs. So glad that you're here. Make sure that you're subscribed and hit that notification bell twice so that way you're notified every time I post a video. If you've been rocking with me all these years, like girl. So as you guys can see from the title, we're going to be doing a Sephora haul. So I did ask if people still did Sephora hauls, and if you guys wanted me to do one, and y'all said yes on YouTube and on Instagram. So I'm going to give you guys what you wanted, and plus I've been wanting to do this for a while because like I said, I wasn't sure if people still did Ulta hauls, Sephora hauls. I know people share like their hauls in like vlogs or on TikTok. To do a full-on haul, I barely see those anymore, and I'm like, well, what if I want something? I want you to share. So the sale did end on the 15th, but that does not mean you can't go and get these things, because girl, now that I have access to the full-on Sephora, because y'all know I used to live in a small city. Early on we did have Sephora at JCPenney. It closed for a while. Then right before I moved, they got a Sephora at Kohl's, but the Sephora at Kohl's does not have like everything. It has a good amount of things, but not every collection. So to be able to go into Sephora now and see everything, oh, I am so, can y'all just tell? I'm sorry, I'm a little too geeked. So you guys know I'm on like a starting over / glow up journey as a wife and mom, just trying to find myself again and get back to the things that I love, and just being my best self as a woman, as a wife and a mom. It's not just the inner work that I've been doing, but it's also the outer work, because I'm getting older. You know, I'm approaching 40 now. From what I've been told, I look really young. My skin is always clear. Tell me that I still look like I'm in my 20s. I'll say that. Always ask me what I do when it comes to my skincare, my makeup. Just want to get back into the things that I love and the things that I'm passionate about when it comes to skincare, when it comes to makeup, you know, finding my signature look as a wife and mom. All of those things to say, I'm just excited to have access to all the things. So let's hop into the haul, shall we? We're going to break the video into two parts, into makeup and also skincare, because obviously that's what Sephora is all about. So I want to share the things that I bought and found in the makeup section that I've been wanting to try for a while, and also when it comes to skincare. So let's get it. Oh, sis, I don't know about you, but I'm a sample girly, okay? I like to try samples out first before investing in the big bottle. One thing I learned and will never do again is to spend $50, $60 on a product and it end up not working for me, or my skin doesn't like it, and then it's wasteful, you know what I'm saying? So I like going to the counter area, you know, towards the cash register area. They have like the samples, the minis. I love going there first to see if they have the sample of what I'm looking for, because I want to try it first. What I'm talking about is one size. I've been wanting to try one size for God knows how long. And the Sephora at Kohl's in Laredo, the other Sephora I used to go to, they were always sold out. Literally sold out. So I could never get my hands on the makeup spray. So this is the On Till Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. For a while I could not get my hands on this spray. I've seen so many reviews, so many people loving it. I just knew I had to try it. Love Charlotte Tilbury's airbrush makeup spray. Love that. But the only thing about those kind of sprays is I don't like how it leaves that wet residue look, or like it just looks like somebody sprayed something on your face. But with this, y'all, it's like an aerosol spray, you see it, but it doesn't leave that like residue on your skin, wetness, the residue that I don't like being left on our faces, because after you've done your makeup and you see those little spots, I'm just like, bruh, you really just gonna stay there like ready to do that? Even Morphe, I love Morphe's makeup sprays. However, it was just to the point where every time I spray with the bottle, it would leave like this white stuff. Like, I don't know, Morphe was my girl, but they got to do something about those balls because I don't know what was going on. So anywho, finally got my hands on some one size. Been loving this spray. Once this is done, I'm going to get the big spray. I also bought the setting powder from one size here as well. Ooh, you see? So I got the setting powder as well. I got dark deep, so I just need to use it more, and I will let you guys know how that goes. So another thing that I picked up when it comes to makeup, I have over here the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. And first of all, I love me some Bobbi Brown. Okay, like their cheek, their highlighter cheek. Oh my gosh, I remember Missy Lynn used it in one of her videos a long time ago, and since then I've been in love with it. So I've always gotten the highlighter, the highlighting glow. I can't remember what it's called, but that was my girl. Heard great things about the face base because when it comes to your makeup, you want to make sure that the base of your face bars. You want to make sure the base of your face is set and good, so that way when you put the makeup on, it stays and it just feels good. It reminds me of the MAC, I have it here, the MAC Hyper Real Serumizer. I can't even pronounce it. I feel like this is thicker and it works a lot better than this. Now this one is good though, I ain't gonna lie, this is really good, but I feel like this works a lot better, and I actually have it on my face right now. So right, so this is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, and I've been wanting to find the perfect match in NARS when it comes to my foundation, because at the Ulta in Laredo they only had NARS's concealers and their blushes. They did not have foundations, so I never knew which NARS foundation to get. So I finally think I got the right one. I got it in the Media Deep 4, so I'm super excited to use this. I'm so happy to finally have a NARS foundation that will look good on my skin. Yay! I couldn't wait to talk to y'all about this. We got to give Danessa Myrick her flowers. I need to call 1-800-FLOWERS or proflowers.com and send Danessa Myrick her flowers right now, because what she did with this, like, I have it on my face, you guys. So I have it on my face right now, and I know I have like my highlighter and my blush on here, and next time I put it on, I'm going to show you how amazing this thing really is. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Yeah, she did a big one with this. So this is the Danessa Myrick's Blurry Palm Butter. I said palm butter. Africans be like. This is the Danessa Myrick's Blurring Balm Powder for eyes and face. And I've heard great things about this. First of all, I've heard great things about her brand. Like I said, in the smaller Sephoras, they didn't have it, but in the bigger ones, they have her collection. So I knew I wanted something with coverage, just because it's getting hot now in Austin, and you know, I don't want to like always wear a full face of foundation all the time. Get it and see what the hype is all about. She is worth the hype. Okay, like seriously, like I have her under my highlighter and my blush, and it feels so light. The coverage is amazing. I'm looking in the mirror, like the coverage was just amazing, and I'm just like, holy crap. So yeah, she's worth the hype. And I have mine in color 9. Mine is in color 9. I don't know what this is here. It's like, it looks like a little spoon. If somebody comment down below and let me know what this is. Maybe, I guess it's just to scoop it up and put on your face. I'm not sure, but she's worth the hype. So go ahead and put her in your cart right now, or put her in your bag when you go to Sephora, because you need this in your life. Thank me later. I finally got my hands on some LYL. This is a black owned brand, so I was just like, oh, okay. And I just, first of all, I love the aesthetics of these. They're so pretty, just like little triangles. Tell me your mom. Well, I'll tell me your mom. But and I just love it. So this is the contouring stick in No Limit. This is No Limit Strength, and I don't know if this is the darkest or not, because I wanted the darkest just because I want my highlighter, I want my contouring to stand out a little bit. So I feel like it's not as dark as I want it to be. It's not as dark as like Espresso from Fenty Beauty. That is my, hands down, that is my favorite concealer when it comes to being dark skinned and being able to contour and actually see the contour, because one thing I cannot stand about makeup brands is when it's too gray or it's too light to be seen on our dark skin. Yes, in 2024, us dark skins are still fighting for equality when it comes to makeup. Depends on what foundation I use where it will show up more, but like I said, with Fenty it's just a little darker, so I feel like if this was a little darker it will show up a lot better on my face. But it's all good though because I still like it and I still use it. And then the concealer, DG6. Is it in DG6? You guys can see. So I love it. Coverage, I love how bright it looks, but it's not too bright because I don't want it to be looking like a ghost or something like that. So NARS and Bobbi Brown I picked up during the sale. Everything else I picked up before the sale. I only got my hands on some K-Skin. I can't remember what it was. Sunscreen spray, I think. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna go back and get that. But I wanted to get something during the sale. The Owl Lip Balm with SPF 30. And I got it in New Ting. And that's what I actually have on right now. And I love the tint of it. And then I love that it's SPF. It doesn't even matter about it being summer or spring. We should be wearing sunscreen anytime that we're walking out. So any makeup or skincare brand that has SPF in it is mine. Before I end the makeup section and hop into the skincare, I finally got topicals. I have been loving what I've been seeing and hearing about topicals. Cannot find the eye patches. It's always sold out at my Sephora's. Every time I go there, it's never on the shelf mini section. So hopefully next time I go, I will get it. I got the brightening and clearing serum. So I got this just because I'm trying to even my skin tone. I'm not trying to brighten it up. No, I'm not trying to brighten or anything. I'm just trying to even up my skin because I have discoloration and unevenness around my eyes and around my skin. I've told y'all that plenty of times before. Since it's a black owned beauty product, I feel like she knows exactly how to fix the problems that black women experience when it comes to discoloration and all that. So I got that. I've been using it. I've only used it twice, but I need to use it some more. The infamous lip gloss that everybody's been talking about. I just love the minty feel and just this is my staple in my pocketbook. So when I'm out and about, so yeah, she's heavy in rotation everywhere that I go. So now to get into skincare, because I don't want to keep you guys here long, because y'all know I will. First of all, I've shared this in my vlog. If you are an ashy girl like me, this is an ashy girl's best friend. So you need to go ahead and add this in your cart, put this in your bag, ask for it for your birthday or Christmas. You need to get your life and get this butter. So this is the Hydrate and Glow Dream Body Butter from Youth to the People. And y'all, I love body butters, okay? But this one here, it's just something about it that I just love. Like glow. Yeah, glow. Oh. Like, I mean, it's not like anything shimmery, but it's so lightweight. I've always been a fan of Youth to the People. Like, speaking of Youth to the People, on the Superfood Cleanser, this is my joint right here. I know you guys can see. But yeah, I love me some Youth to the People. Like, I love what they stand for. I love the clean beauty products that they sell. Go back to the body butter. It is my jam. Like, I love this thing. But when it comes to the cleanser, I actually had the big bottle, but because it's glass, I understand what they're doing with the whole glass thing. But if you're a mom and you got kids and that thing drops, it's gonna be glass everywhere. So beware, okay? But I just love Youth to the People, and those two right here, these are heavy in rotation when it comes to my skincare. When it comes to glowy skin, this is my favorite combo right now that I do every morning if I don't have on makeup and I'm just going about, if I'm just going out and about and I just want a glowy skin, this right here. This combo right here. Leave Aqua Bomb Brightening Vitamin C Cream and the CEO Afterglow by Sunday Riley. I love it more so because of the vitamin C that's in both of them. I don't know, I guess I'm trying to even it out because of the discoloration that I have. But besides that, I just want my skin to just glow. Like, yeah, glow. To have the necessities it needs to just stay clear, glowy, and just youthful, you know what I'm saying? I love Belief, like, period. Like, I've been using Belief God knows how long. I was using the Aqua Bomb, just the blue one, but now they came out with a vitamin C one, so I was just like, oh, that's perfect because I need extra vitamin C and E in my routine when it comes to my skincare. The sample of this for my birthday. This was a sample for my birthday, and I started using it when I went on my cruise, and I'm just like, oh, she good. She real good. So once this is over, I mean, I have a little corner left, so I need to go back and get the big one. And it's not cheap though. That's the only thing. It's not cheap, but I love what this, oh, these two together. Thank me later. So yes, love me some Laneige. Been using Laneige for a while. I want to get some of their lip mask. I haven't had the lip mask in a while, but I wanted to get the water bank. This is the water bank. I use this at night to just help my skin feel moisturized at night. I got some Biosense. This was actually, I had points to get it from Sephora. So I wanted to try, because like I said, I'm a sample girly. So I got to try it out first. So this is the eye cream, and then this is the repair cream. Both of these are really good. So I might have to, once I'm done with these, I might have to go get the big one. Paula's Choice, because I've been hearing some great things about Paula's Choice. It's a liquid exfoliant. I've never heard of a liquid exfoliant before. So I'm pretty curious, but that's what I got in the sample, because we're gonna try it out and we're gonna see how it goes. Y'all know I can talk all day, especially because I have not filmed a YouTube video in so long, but that was so much fun. Like, I just love sharing the things that I love, the things that I'm passionate about, and it just felt so good. It just felt like a throwback YouTube video, like what the girlies used to do back in the day. Once they are finished and I still love it, I will definitely get the big bottle, because why not use it, you know what I'm saying? But I am loving the products that I'm using, and if you guys would like a weekly roundup of the things that I get from Sephora, because I basically kind of go weekly just because, you know, I'm window shopping, but I might find something that I like. And one thing about me, if I don't get it, I'm gonna regret it. And we don't want regrets in life, right? Right. So like a weekly roundup or something, I can share that in my vlog, or I can bring you guys along with me in my vlog to go to Sephora and show you guys the things that I bought. Let me know down below, and I got you, girl. If you took advantage of the sale, let me know what you got and your favorite things that you got. So the Sephora I went to did not have Forever Mood, and that's not a Forever Mood. Like Sephora, what's going on? I'm gonna go to the Domain. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the Domain Sephora and check that out and see if they have it. You know, Jackie Allen, and she launched her Forever Mood perfumes, and I'm super excited to try. I want to get the Discovery just to see how they are. I'm gonna try all of them, but I want to try the samples first and check it out, and I'll let you guys know how that goes. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think and what was your favorite. Per usual, everything will be linked down below for you guys, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Peace.